Is there nobody here to pour my wine? I don't pour my own bloody wine. Since I actually escaped the Battle of King's Landing, I decided that I'd give Beauty Guru a shot. A bunch of bitches throwing shade while looking stunningly beautiful and talking about nonsense. It can't be that hard. I was told this Beauty Guru job came with elephants. That's disappointing. I wanted those elephants. I suppose I should actually do some work and apply some makeup. What is this? Cloud paint in storm. Quite frankly, with my bone structure, I don't even wear makeup. I don't even know why I'm here. What can I say? I woke up like this. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe she's Cersei. All right then. That looks like blood. All right, well now I just look like a whore. You want a Beauty Guru whore? Buy one. You want a Beauty Guru queen? Earn her. This glass, what is this shit? Jamie, please find the gold-encrusted goblets. I don't know where they are. Do I look like a packing expert? No, I put too much on one side. Honestly, does it really matter? People will watch me anyway. Moving on to the next thing. What is this? Highlighter. Looks like sweat. Do I look to you like a common sweaty peasant who must labor in the fields for their food? No. Trolls. Am I afraid of trolls? I welcome them. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you actually think I care about your inane thoughts and opinions? You insolent, weak, boring assholes. Keyboard warrior. I have real warriors fighting for me, and I will have them find you in the dead of night and strangle you in your sleep. Think about it. Please, by all means, misspell the word your one more time. Thank God we're moving on to something I actually care about. Brows. I don't care what anyone tells you. A bold brow is key in intimidating your enemies. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Brow whiz. Who is this queen? We must meet. I must find her. Yas, queen. Eyelash curler or weapon? Let's go with the latter, shall we? Maybe just a bit more of this. I wonder if Jamie would like this. Jamie screwed Brienne. What wouldn't Jamie like? What is this? Is this supposed to be me? My face is round and pudgy. Is this a joke? I don't know who this person thinks he is, but I will have the maker of this doll's balls fed to him as an evening snack. Is no one going to bring me dinner? What is this? I can't eat this. Cheese it. Baked snack crackers. Oh, I'm exhausted. You might be the most arrogant bitch I've ever met. I like that. Is this the part where I'm supposed to beg people to subscribe? You can subscribe, you can unsubscribe. I don't really care. What am I even talking about? Fuck this shit. It's beneath me.